In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Adsense name address postal code. This is an important update to know how to make because the name and address in your Adsense payments profile are used for payment and verification details. When your information is accurate and up to date, it helps prevent delays or issues later, especially when you are receiving payouts or completing identity and address checks. To begin, sign into your Adsense account using your usual web browser. Once you are fully logged in, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. You want to be editing the payments profile that is actually connected to the earnings you receive. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar menu. Find and click Payments. After you open the Payments section, select Payments Info. This area contains the details related to how you get paid, along with the profile information tied to your payment setup. On the Payments Info page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Settings. This part of the page is easy to miss if you scroll quickly, so slow down and look for it. In the Settings section, click Manage Settings. This opens the controls for editing parts of your payments profile. Now locate the Payments Profile section. Inside it, you will see Name and Address, and next to that there will be a small pencil icon, which is the Edit option. Click that pencil icon to open the fields you can change. At this point, update your name, street address, and postal code in the provided fields. Enter everything carefully and double-check spelling, spacing, and numbers. Use the exact format of your official address, since this should match your real-world location and any documents you may use for verification. Also, make sure the postal code is correct for the address you entered, because an incorrect postal code can cause problems with mail delivery or address validation. Once you have made your updates, review the information one more time for accuracy. When everything looks correct, finish the edit process as prompted on the page so your changes are applied. That covers everything you need to know.